Hi, I'm Amazon Seller Central expert. Do you know that you have made an excellent choice to get started with Amazon as a seller? Because Amazon helps you to provide your buyers a safe and trusted online retail environment. You can grow your business by providing world-class customer service, fast and efficient fulfillment, and great products at great prices. For this, let's understand the selling environment and product details page. Before you begin selling, you need to ensure that your products are presented in Amazon style and dispatched on time to provide a safe and trusted shopping environment to the customers. Because selling at Amazon is a virtuous cycle, great products lead to great customer experience. A great customer experience means buyers come back, which leads to increased traffic to the site, and finally, high revenue for you as a seller. This cycle continues if customers get world-class service at a good price. Now that you're aware of the selling environment at Amazon.in, it is time for you to get acquainted with the product detail page concept and enhance the buying experience. A product detail page helps customers read details about a product such as product image, price, description, ordering options, and the link to view offers from all sellers. Remember that every product on Amazon.in is represented by a product detail page. By submitting your product information in Amazon's format, you're providing complete product data, attributes, and offers to customers at one place. This makes it easier for customers to make a decision about buying because this helps them to see all the buying choices for a product in one easy view. Congratulations! You have understood how to make buying experience effective and beneficial. Now, you know that Amazon provides safe and trusted shopping environment. Selling at Amazon is a virtuous cycle and great products lead to great customer experience. Product detail page helps customers read details about a product. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. Have a question or want to learn more about how Amazon can help you build your business? Simply contact Seller Support for any queries.